Now, this scenario is titled IT Cost Management Initiative at a Software Company. A software company has seen a sharp increase in IT operational costs due to growing infrastructure demands and licensing fees for third-party services. The finance and IT teams collaborate to analyze spending and identify areas where efficiency can be improved. During their review, they discovered that multiple cloud services are underutilized. Some software licenses are assigned to employees who no longer require them. To optimize costs, the company implements automated resource allocation, reassigns unused licenses, and establishes a regular cost review process to track IT spending more effectively. Now, based on that scenario, we're going to have 3 questions. We'll run through the questions first, and then we'll look at the answers and the explanations. Question 1. Which ITIL practice is responsible for tracking IT resources, ensuring they are used efficiently, and identifying areas for cost savings? Is it A, IT asset management? Is it B, service level management? Is it C, capacity and performance management? Or is it D, supplier management? Question 2. The company implements a regular cost review to track IT spending and optimize resource usage. This action aligns with which ITIL guiding principle? Is it start where you are? Is it think and work holistically? Is it optimize and automate? Or is it focus on value? Question 3. Which of the following statements about ITIL service management is correct? Is it A, the improved activity in the service value chain is responsible for analyzing past incidents and ensuring that service levels are met? Is it B, problem management ensures that IT assets tracked and monitored to prevent overspending? Is it C, supplier management is responsible for ensuring that third-party service providers meet contractual obligations and align with business needs? Or is it D, the Change Advisory Board is responsible for resolving incidents as quickly as possible? Now, if you need more time to review these questions, you should pause the video here. So we're going to look at the answers. First, let's refresh our memory what question 1 was about. This was the ITIL practice responsible for tracking IT resources. And the answer to that question is, of course, IT asset management. IT asset management ensures that IT resources, including hardware, software, and cloud services, are tracked, managed, and used efficiently. Since the company identified underutilized cloud services and unnecessary software licenses, this aligns with IT asset management. Incorrect answers here were service level management. Service level management is responsible for defining and monitoring service performance agreements, not in tracking IT assets or cost optimization. That was hard for me to say. The next incorrect answer was capacity and performance management. Capacity and performance management ensures that IT infrastructure meets demand, but does not focus on cost optimization or resource tracking. Finally, supplier management. Supplier management ensures that vendors and third-party providers meet their contractual obligations, but does not manage internal IT asset usage. And moving on to question 2, which, to refresh our memory, was about which ITIL guiding principle aligns with the company implementing the regular cost review? And that is, of course, optimize and automate. The optimize and automate guiding principle encourages organizations to maximize efficiency and eliminate waste. Since the company introduced automated resource allocation and regular cost reviews, this aligns with optimizing IT spending through automation. The incorrect answers here were start where you are, as start where you are focuses on assessing current processes before making changes, but this scenario describes proactively optimizing IT resources. Then you got think and work holistically. Think and work holistically considers how different components of IT interact, but the focus here is on cost efficiency, not overall IT alignment. And finally, you have focus on value. Focus on value ensures that IT efforts align with business needs, but cost optimization is more directly related to efficiency improvements rather than value alignment. Finally, about question 3, this was the question where you had to pick the correct statement. And that correct statement was that supplier management ensures that third-party services meet their contractual obligations and that their services align with the organization business needs. Since the scenario involves evaluating IT costs, including licensing fees for third-party services, supplier management is relevant. The improved activity in the service value chain is responsible for ongoing service enhancements. Analyzing past incidents and ensuring service levels are met falls under service level management and problem management. The answer was about problem management. Problem management identifies root causes of incidents and implements long-term solutions, does not track IT spending, and the last statement was about the Change Advisory Board. The Change Advisory Board evaluates and approves proposed changes but does not resolve incidents. That is the role of incident management.